It's snowing a little bit out here. Starting to come down a little bit. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Team Man of Blessings, what's up? What's up, everybody? Check this out, man. It's supposed to be spring, and it's snowing. Man, it is snowing. We could possibly get where I'm at 6 to 10 inches of snow, and it's supposed to be spring. But right now I'm heading out to work, man. I hope y'all have an awesome day. Let the snow come down because I'm off tomorrow. But I gotta go to the grocery store. 6 to 10 inches of snow, and I gotta take my butt to the grocery store. I know it's gonna be packed today, but it is what it is. Team Man of Blessings. Man, it's snowing and it's springtime. So check this out, man. The other day, my battery died in my truck. I knew the battery was getting weak, I knew it, but it finally died. A few months ago, my automatic starter just stopped working in the truck. You dig? So the battery died. I go get the battery changed. Boom, automatic starter is working again. Let me tell you something right now, man. You never know how much you're gonna miss something until it's gone. All winter long, I've been having to come and sit in the car with the car warming up. Now, a week before spring, the battery finally dies and I get the automatic starter back. And Lord, I've been using this every day. Man, automatic starter is great. I just left Target. All right, so I just left Target, man. Got off work a little early today. Just left Target. Had to get a few things. Had to get some groceries. Went to Target because Target's right next door to the job. Now it's time to get Ghost up and running. Oh boy. I don't got nothing to clean the snow off with, so I got to use my arm. Yeah, I was in Target. I should have got something to clean the snow off with. Well, it's nighttime. About to call it a night. Looks like the snow is stopped. It's I ain't gonna say nighttime. It's 12 midnight. 12 midnight, and the snow is stopped. I repeat, the snow has stopped. So I guess I was wrong last night. The snow did come back. It's snowing pretty good. Bailey out here with his brother and his sister. There they go. Scared to go out in the snow. Run around, baby. There it is. There you go. All right, so it's Wednesday. I think the snowstorm is coming to an end. I shoveled out the driveway so that I can get out. I think those should be able to get out of there. Got Jazzy out here doing a little old school with the plastic bag down the shoes so that the feet won't get wet. Yeah, I still do that for the kids. I most definitely do. Make sure them socks and them feet don't get wet. But yeah, I think the storm is just about over. Jazzy, you making a snowman? You see that snowman, girl? Look at that snowman. I see you. Okay. Oh yeah. Yes, she got on one mitten and one sock. We wasn't prepared for the snow. Oh, hold on. You need tissue? All right, come on. Let's go get some tissue. We'll be back. Come on, Jay, hurry up. Jay, go through the garage.
Get him! That's like, oh, that was so terrifying. I would never get used to that. That was
like that.
crazy.
Keep it on Jay. You ready? Keep it on Jay. 1, 2.